Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is August 16th, 2021. Today we will be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I will be giving you some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels, and then I'll go ahead and give you guys some of the levels on gold and also oil as well. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to answer those questions for you. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, I did have resistance a little bit above here. Let me just move this down because we kind of popped our head up a little bit. We've hit as high as 44.6250 as a level of resistance. I had one a little bit below 44.56, kind of bounced off that level. Support for me right now coming in right around 43.50, and then below that a little bit of a bigger one, 44.3150. Underneath 31 all the way down to 44.1725 is my next area that I'm looking for the market to maybe catch some support as a key level there. But again, I'm probably looking to see if we catch some support right around this area. We haven't necessarily got all the way down to it, but it did kind of round out, so we'll see what happens. But with that, I'm going to hand it over here to Wendy to give you guys some of the minor levels there.
Okay, good morning. Well, since we had some BS price action for Friday, we just don't have a lot of micros to work with, but there are some, and we're going to go over them. David's level, I think he mentioned the 56.50. That is my last peak for Friday. And it's an interesting one because you can see what happened at London. It used it as resistance. This is simple price action stuff. You could hit the short there very easily. Your level of support is coming down at another area of David's, which is around the 43, 44 area. Beautiful double top around on the 11th and then on the 12th, double top. So what happens? The market goes above it and then it comes right back down to test it for use of support. You can see those rotations in there. It's a beautiful area to go long. Also, it went all the way back up to a micro level of support. A micro level of support. Yeah, there we go. Around the 53 area, and 52, 53 is a micro level of support. That's why it rejected there. And then it came right back down almost to the tick to the 43.75, 44 area. Just shy of it. That's okay. It's in the ball game. That's where you want to enter the long and carry it to or through that micro support, which is the 50 or beyond. So far, pretty easy price action to make a lot of money today. Let's get it. David, that's it for SPOOs. Back to you for oil and gold.
Nice job. All right, let's move over here to gold. Coming to a little bit of resistance, as you can see, we kind of peaked here for gold right around these 1783.8 to 1784s. Sitting right here, that's going to be our level of resistance right now. We do have a top level sitting somewhere around 1786.5 that we are looking for gold to try to push into. But if we can't get past these 83.8s, look for the market to try to scale back a little bit, try to pull back down, maybe come right into the mid level or support down below right around these 76.2s or 73.1s. Moving over into crude oil, nice movement to the downside. As you can see what's going on, had resistance right around 68.05. Good opportunity for a short, came right down into our next level, 66.98. Bounced right off that area, came all the way back up, came back down. Kind of chopping between these 66.39, so we'll see what happens. I'm anticipating maybe the market to move a little bit lower to our next level, 65, 67, so we'll see what happens. But if we catch the support here, we may have an opportunity to try to pull back up into these 66.98, so we'll see what happens here on crude oil as well. But with that, guys, let's go ahead and get prepared for the open.